To install blades onto the Cos-Tools V-Groove cutter, first remove the yellow blade clip. Install one blade sharp side down onto the post. Then replace the yellow blade clip. Install the other blade on the other side of the tool the same way. Find extra blade storage on the back of the tool. To adjust the blade depth of the V-Groove cutter, find the blade depth dial on the rear of the cutter. Turning this dial either direction will increase or decrease the depth of the V-Groove. Note that the scale is both in millimeter and inch. The Cos-Tools V-Groove cutter must be used with the Cos-Tools Channel Rail. Always use foam board underlayment. Use a marking tool to draw a line indicating where the V-Groove will be. Note the reference points on the tool itself to indicate where the V-Groove will be cut on the foam. In using the indicator marks on the tool, center the tool over the line you've drawn. Hold the blade holder down and pull straight back to cut the V-Groove. The excess will peel out from the foam. Setting the depth to go almost all the way through the foam, but not quite, allows you to make a nice clean fold in the foam. Visit our website to see the entire Cos-Tools family.